In this video, you are going to see how to attach and send a folder in email in Gmail. Let's get started. In desktop, I have a folder. The name is info and here I have multiple files. If I want to attach it, let us go to the email, click on compose and here you will find the option attach file. Let us choose the desktop. If I click on the folder and click on open, here you will see I can attach the folder. I can only select the file from here, but I want to attach the folder, so I have to apply a trick. Let us go to the desktop. Click on right button on the folder and click on send to and choose this option, compressed zipped folder. Click on over here, then a zipped folder will be created. Here is the zipped folder. Now again go to the email, go to this option attach file, go to desktop and here you can see the zipped folder. Select it and click on open. Then the folder will be attached. Now you can write the recipient email and the subject and you can send it easily. When the receiver get the folder, he will click on right button and he has to apply this option extract file. Then a file will be unzipped. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.